So, hi, introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, myself Bakulbisht, and as you know I have just started my channel Bakulbisht Learneruk channel. It's almost 1 year. Like as the day passing, I'm learning, I'm growing. With every video I learn something new. When I started in a random approach. My nephew suggests me to upload some video. My resolution is to grow more, speak more and more. I will never care about what I am saying. I will say with my heart because this is my passion and this is my goal. One day I remember.
Hi everyone, my name is Sanjay. Today I tell you about how was my 2025. In 2025, I learned few things about my life, about my study. I visit my dream place in Rajasthan, Khatu Sham temple. I
Everyone, my name is Ritika. So, today I will talk about 2025. Today I will talk about how was my 2025. So many things and so many things are going on to 2025. So, first we go to Iskon temple. This place is in Rajasthan.
Yes, we need your support, so please don't forget like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.